Hello, this is Amanda with West Plains United Country, and I would love to welcome you to my new country club listing located at 2125 Cambridge Drive, West Plains, Missouri. Just take a look at the beautiful open concept living, dining, kitchen, and sunroom. This home also features a beautiful kitchen with granite countertops and all new appliances. This home features two living areas with a second kitchen and living area in the basement. For more information about this listing or others like it, you may reach me at 417-255-3498. or 417-256-1000, or you may also view my website at amanda.westplainsuc.com.